just the day-to-day is rewarding, but when you can do those extra things to help somebody along the way, it's even more rewarding.
Andrew always says in trial, like in closing and in opening, to help to make them whole. The money can't complete them, but it can help.
Pre-lit, we handle the file from the time the client calls. So a client's been in an accident, they call us, and we guide them through it. We help them with their insurance. We help them with medical bill. When I say help them with medical bills, tell them how they have to pay them and the different steps and any questions they have, and we kind of guide them along through their journey of recovery.
Clients call in sometimes so upset, yelling like at me, and once they get past that, they're not mad at me. They're mad because they're in pain.
When you're in pain and you're not feeling your best, and then you've got to try to deal with insurance and doctors and bills, and so we're here to help them any way we can.
Doing anything to try and help alleviate that for them, it means the world to me. I love being here and doing what I do.